Hello friends, welcome you all to Prepare for Bank. So friends, I'm excited about this new video where we will be discussing about the details on IBPS SO exam syllabus. SO is for the specialist officer that an exam is conducted by the IBPS for the recruitment of the specialist officer. So friends, let's see. In this video we are going to discuss about the preliminary exam pattern, main exam pattern, then the quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English syllabus, and apart from that the post related exam syllabus as well. So friends, first let's get started with the preliminary exam pattern. Before that, I would like to discuss with you about the IBPS SO exam. So friends, the first question that come into our mind is what are the IBPS SO exam? For this, to answer this question, we have already created a detailed video and the link of this video is already given in the description box. So if you are curious to know about what are the IBPS SO exams, you can have a look in this video and get more information on this. So let's move on to the preliminary exam part. So friends, in the preliminary exam for the IBPS SO, the sections or the tests are for the English language, reasoning and quantitative aptitude, and for the law officers there is general awareness with special reference to the banking industry. These are the questions that are going to be asked in the preliminary examinations, and the duration for this exam is of 2 hours and the total marks allocated are of 125 marks. Once you clear the preliminary exam, you will be called for the mains exam, and these preliminary exams are going to be conducted in the month of November 2024. The mains exam that are going to be conducted in the month of December 2024. So for the mains exam, there will not be any questions related to the English, reasoning or quantitative aptitude. They are going to ask for the professional knowledge and that are related to the post, that is the post of law officer, IT officer, agriculture field officer, HR or personal officer, and the marketing officer. For these posts, the candidate have to give the professional knowledge test, and that are the objective questions that they have to solve in 45 minutes duration and having the maximum marks of 60. And for the post of Rajbhasha Adhikari, there will be an objective and descriptive test. There will be 45 questions for the objective and 2 descriptive part of it, and the times allocated is of 60 minutes and 60 marks in total. So friend, this is the exam format that we have discussed, and now let's have a look into the IBPS SO syllabus. So friends, in Prepare for Bank we have already created out a section where we are keeping a detailed of IBPS SO exam syllabus. So you can have a look in this IBPS SO exam syllabus where we have mentioned all the topic that need to be prepared for the IBPS SO exam. So in this, for the English language we will be looking for the reading comprehensive, tense rule, preposition rule, and so on. For the reasoning and ability, the syllabus is the alphanumeric series, direction type, blood relation, classifications, and so on. And for the quantitative aptitude, we can see like the sorts and indices, percentage calculation, sequence and series, and so on. So these are the syllabus that a candidate must prepare for the IBPS SO examination. Now for the mains examination, we will be just looking for the professional knowledge, like the IBPS will be just testing for the professional knowledge. So for the IT officer scale 1, there will be the question topic that need to be prepared are related to the database management system, data communication, operating system, software engineering, and so on. Apart from this, the candidate can also expect a question that are trending in the market can be related to the AI as well. And for the agriculture field officer, the syllabus will be the basic of crop production and horticulture, agronomy, irrigation, seed science, and so on. And for the marketing, there will be a basics of marketing management, brand management, advertising, public relations and sales, and so on. For the law officer, banking regulation, compliance and legal aspect, and so on. For the HR or the personal officer, human resource development, business policies and strategy alliances, analysis, and so on. For the Rajbhasha Adhikari, it will be grammar, error correction, and fill in the blank and so on part. So friends, these are the syllabus that we have discussed for the IBPS SO examination, and if you still have any questions related to the IBPS SO examination, you can definitely let us know in the questions and the comment section. And also friends, we have created a detailed video on the basic quantitative aptitude preparation part. So if you want to start for the or know about the quantitative aptitude preparation strategy, you can have a look in this video. We will be mentioning the link of this video in the description box, so you can have a look in this. If you have any questions and comment, do let us know. We'll clarify all the questions and comments. If you find this information useful, do share with your friends and relatives so that they can also get benefited out of it. Thank you friends. Bye.